Ah.
But we can still hear you.
Game. So we're gonna we're gonna get someone na bubunutan ng ipin, right, Mommy?
Yes.
It's a girl, right?
Girl.
Nag-visit like last time sa dentist, right?
Yes.
Kasi kapag na-hurt yung teeth, kailangan ng ten. Do you know that person?
Oh, sa family. Very important to remove the teeth.
Okay.
Very urgent.
I think so. Tanggalan ng teeth.
Why? Do you have anything to say? Are you saying something?
I thought you were saying something.
I don't want to go anywhere. Don't go there.
So we can make a phone call. Punta tayo ng
We need to
dentist.
call them so we can schedule.
Yeah, papaschedule na natin yung papabunot ng ipin.
Bawal.
Why not?
Or else pag yung baby tanggal ko.
That's what you like?
I want that.
Yan ba yung tinuturo sa school? Let's go to the dentist para makausap natin.
Pillow fight.
Ready ka na, Mami?
Malapit na yung dito, di ba?
Or close.
Okay. Be ready with your phone so we can take a picture.
Yeah.
Are you ready, Charlotte?
No.
Why not?
I don't like your attitude.
What's my attitude? What you don't like?
You're the one throwing off the attitude.
You're the one.
So ito, papakita natin yan kay teacher. So teacher can see yung attitude.
Sorry, then. Ayun yung dental clinic sa taas. What is it? Take a picture. Is there a number?
Walang number.
Picture na lang ako ng pangalan.
Sige, doon tayo. Pagbalik natin.